Hi, this is Tony Torres with Airbnb Insurance. Today's topic is homeowners insurance versus landlord insurance. Now, a homeowner's policy is used if the house serves as your primary residence. Landlord insurance is used if you rent the property that you own on an extended period of time, um, and or if you rent it full time. Okay, so there are many similarities between homeowners insurance and landlord insurance in that they cover the dwelling, any other structures or detached structures, your medical payments if someone gets hurt while on your property, and it also covers liability. Now, there are some differences. Let's talk about loss of use. On a homeowner's policy, the loss of use coverage makes sure that if you need to live outside of your home while it's being repaired, that expense is covered. So if you have to rent a place, whether it's an apartment or a short-term rental, or even a home, that expense would be covered. In the case of a landlord's policy, that loss of use reimburses you for the lost rental income that because you're unable to rent your property while it's being repaired. This coverage is known again as loss of use and or fair rental value. In the case of your renters, they should have their own renter's insurance. So if they lose the use of that property because of a fire, let's say, again, their policy should cover loss of use so that they have those expenses covered while they can't rent the property that you own. Let's talk about personal property. For a homeowner's policy, that covers clothing, furniture, electronics, any personal belongings that you have. It's typically 50% of the reconstruction cost estimate for your home, but it can be up to 70%. And really, it's one of those values that you can change, or coverages that you can change. There's quite a wide allowance for how much coverage you have for personal property. On a landlord policy, that personal property would only cover things like your detached appliances, your washer and dryer, your refrigerator, your range, because most of the time you're not going to have any personal property in that rental home. So those are the key differences. Now let's talk about Airbnbs. There are very few carriers that will cover your home, your personal home, as an Airbnb because you're renting it on a short-term basis. You need to make sure you disclose that to your carrier or talk to your agent, because there are some carriers that will cover your personal home use or personal home used as an Airbnb for a short-term period. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at 612-275-1371. Again, with Airbnb Insurance, Tony Torres. Have a great day.